Good morning, children. See, children, in our last session, we have discussed about the masculine, masculine and feminine gender. What we have discussed, children, masculine and feminine. Today, we are going to learn about the pronoun. What we are going to learn about pronoun. Already, we have completed the noun. What do you mean by noun? Just once recall Nana in your mind. Noun is known as the naming word. It may be the name of the person, it may be the name of the place, it may be the name of the thing, any. Names of any things are known as nouns. Nouns are nothing but name of anything. Nouns are nothing but name of anything. So, we have discussed regarding the nouns about the singular noun and the plural noun, countables and uncountables, and as well as masculine and feminine gender. Now, let us see what about the pronouns. What is a pronoun, Nana? Just I'll give you the example so that easily you can give the definition. Suppose I wrote Ram likes tea. He likes coffee. He likes coffee also. Now here see children, if you see the two statements, Ram likes tea, he likes coffee also. About whom I am talking? Ram. Ram likes tea and coffee both. But in the second statement, if you observe, I have used the word he for instead of Ram. Means the word which is used in place of a noun is known as pronoun. Okay. What we can write? The word used instead of a noun, the word used instead of a noun is known as pronoun. The word used instead of a noun is known as pronoun. So here in place of Ram I have used he. Let us take another example, Nana. Mary eats banana, but she likes oranges. If you see the given two statements, children, here I am talking about the noun Mary. Mary eats banana, but what is actually she likes? She likes oranges. Instead of using Mary here, I have used he. So you got the clear clarification. When we are talking about the boy, we are using he. When we are having a girl noun, we are using she. And see children, one more important thing. Whenever we are talking about animal or things, we have to use it and they in the plural sense. If they are in plural form, we use they. They for the plural. They for the plural for all. Plural for all. Okay. Suppose boys play cricket, they play hockey also. Means for the plural noun, I am using they in common. They can be used as boys, girls and the animals and the things. Okay. But he should be used for the boy, she should be used for the girl. And it should be used for animal and the thing which are in singular form. Okay. This is the basic of the pronoun. What is a pronoun? The word used instead of a noun is known as the pronoun. Okay. Now coming to the personal pronouns. Means the pronouns which are used for persons. We have a list, children. The pronouns which are used for the persons only. Suppose I, you, me, our, your, and manshul, persons. Okay. So I will give you the list which are known as the personal pronouns. This is pronoun, Nana. What is a pronoun? The word used instead of a noun is known as the pronoun. Now we are discussing regarding the pronoun, we are discussing about the Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the words which are used for the persons. Okay. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronoun is a word used for persons. Personal pronouns are used for persons. What are they? See, I'm giving you the list. I, my, me, mine, we, our, us. This is one category. And another one, I will give you the notes, Nana. Just you see carefully, listen carefully. You, your, yours. This is another form for the persons. And another one, I will write again. He, she, they, it, and his, her, them, its, him, hers, their, theirs. So this is all about the pronoun children, personal pronoun children. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of the noun. And here about the personal pronoun, the pronouns which are used for persons are known as personal pronouns. Few examples if you see: I, my, me, mine, we, our, us, you, your, yours, he, she, they, it, his, her, them, its, him, hers, theirs, their, theirs. This is all about the personal pronoun. Now let us discuss few more about the pronouns, children. Okay, we'll see what are the pronouns are used as the subject, what are the pronouns which are used as the object. It is a lengthy topic, children, so it will take 2 to 3 days to finish. Okay, just now we have learned the definition of the pronoun and about the personal pronouns. Okay, children, and you should remember that pronouns doesn't take a first stop. Suppose ours, we have to write in this way. If you are writing ours in this way, it is wrong. It is right. Okay, always pronouns won't take a first stop. So don't keep a first stop with the pronouns. Now let us discuss about the pronouns, children, which are used as a subject. What do you mean by the subject? First of all, children, subject means not English, Hindi, Telugu, not that. Suppose in a sentence, children, if we are writing a sentence, ఆ సెంటెన్స్లో మనం ఎవరి గురించి అయితే మాట్లాడతామో, అబౌట్ హూమ్ వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ ఇన్ ద సెంటెన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్. సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ రామ్ ఈస్ ఏ టీచర్, Ram is a teacher. Here about whom we are talking, nana, one person, Ram. So ikkada subject emaitadi Ram. Okay, so అర్థమై ఉండాలన్నా ఎవరి గురించి అయితే మనం ఒక సెంటెన్స్ లో మాట్లాడతామో, అబౌట్ హూమ్ we are discussing in the statement, that is known as the subject. There are some pronouns which are used as the subject, which comes at the beginning, used as the subject of the sentence. All the pronouns we can't use as a subject. Only few pronouns only we can use as a subject. So what are the pronouns which are used as a subject? See, nana, I, we, you, he, she, they, it. See children, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూడండి కదా, whenever we are writing a sentence with a pronoun as a subject, with a pronoun, these words comes at the starting of the sentence. I play, he plays, he eats, she jumps, they climb. Okay, in this way we are using the pronouns. Pronouns should be used, these pronouns should be used as a subject, and some pronouns are used as a object. Okay, so these pronouns are known as a subjective pronoun and objective pronoun that you will learn in your next classes, not here. Just I am explaining about the pronouns which are used as a subject and the pronouns which are used as a object. See children, me, us, you, him, her, them, it. These are the pronouns Nana which are used as the object. Now you may have doubt, okay madam, you have clarified the subject. What is the subject? Means the main part or the about whom we are discussing. ఎవరి గురించి అయితే మనం సెంటెన్స్లో మాట్లాడతామో that particular person or the thing is known as the subject. What do you mean by the object? What is the object? The person or the thing who receives the action. Who receives the action is known as the object. Suppose the teacher teaches us. Now who is teaching here? Teacher. So about the teacher we are talking. The teacher is known as the subject. Us, ఎవరికి చెప్తున్నామే, మనకి చెప్తుంది చదువు అనేది. Us is known as the object. So here as. So these words comes maximum at the end or in the middle of the sentence. You, if you see, this is the object pronoun as well as subject pronoun. You sometimes used as a subject and sometimes used as an object according to the given situation. So I'll conclude the class today. If I'll complete the topic today, you may get confusion. Only 3 terms, 4 things we have learned children today. Pronoun. What is a pronoun? A word which is used instead of a noun is known as the pronoun. And in pronouns we have discussed about the personal pronouns. The pronouns which are used for the persons are known as personal pronouns. And we have discussed about the subject pronouns and the object pronouns. What are the pronouns which are used as the subjects and what are the pronouns which are used as the objects? Once listen the class carefully children. Have a nice day all of you.